To begin your muscle building journey, it's essential to understand the basics. Starting with an introduction to muscle building for beginners lays the groundwork for a solid fitness plan. Next, emphasizing the importance of resistance training is crucial as it stimulates muscle growth and strength. Additionally, delving into the significance of protein in building and repairing muscles highlights the role of this macronutrient in supporting muscle recovery and growth. When aiming to shed body fat, understanding the concept of calorie deficit is paramount. By consuming fewer calories than the body expends, fat loss is achieved. Effective cardio and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, play a vital role in fat burning by increasing metabolism and promoting calorie expenditure. Additionally, providing diet tips and strategies for losing fat while maintaining muscle involves focusing on nutrient-dense foods, portion control, and balanced macronutrient intake to support fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass. Understanding the significance of macronutrients such as protein, carbohydrates, and fats is pivotal for optimizing nutrition. Each macronutrient plays a specific role in supporting muscle growth and facilitating fat loss. Furthermore, explaining the role of meal timing and portion control sheds light on the impact of structuring meals around workouts and managing food intake to align with fitness goals. Additionally, providing examples of balanced meals for muscle building and fat loss illustrates practical ways to combine macronutrients in meals to support both muscle growth and fat loss.